Hey guys, welcome to my channel Mathophile, and again I am coming up with another new video. So today my topic is compound interest. So before discussing the compound interest, I will discuss about the simple interest. Okay, so what is the formula of simple interest? At first I will discuss that. So all of you know that the formula of simple interest will be given by I equals to PRT by 100. Okay, and what is P refers here? P is nothing but the principal. Okay, and R is here referred rate of interest. Okay, and D is the time in years. Okay, and I is the interest. Now I will derive the formula of compound interest. So at first I will give some notation. So here A is total amount of money after the compounding period. Okay, and P is the principal, and R is annual interest rate, and here N is time in years. Okay, these all notation are required to compute the value of compound interest. Okay, so now what is the simple interest after 1 year or first year? Okay, I have to calculate this first. So SIA1 equals to PRT by 100. Okay, this is the simple interest after first year. Now amount after first year, what? The amount after first year will be P plus SI1. Now if we put the value of SI1, P plus PRT by 100. Now if we common P into 1 plus R by 100, here T equals to 1. So now this value I will give P2. Okay. Now we have to calculate the simple interest for second year. Okay. Simple interest for second year will be given by SI2 equals to P2 into R into T by 100. Okay. Now amount after second year will be what? So amount after second year will be P2 plus SI2. If we put the value of now SI2, P2 plus P2 into R into T by 100. Now if we common P2 and put the value of P2, and here also T equals to 1, then we get P into 1 plus R by 100 whole square. Okay, here also T equals to 1. Why? Because between second year and first year time gap is also 1. Okay, now if we proceed similarly to n years, then what we get? We get the formula of compound interest. So similarly, if we proceed further to n years, we can deduce that what? We can deduce that A equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, and Ci equals to A minus P, and we get by common P we get the compound interest formula. Okay, so this is the formula of compound interest. Now I will discuss a question. It will more clear about this topic. Okay, so here the question is, a sum of rupees 10,000 is borrowed by Ankita for 2 years at an interest of 10% compounded annually. Find the compound interest and amount she has to pay at the end of second years or 2 years. Okay, this is our question. Now I will solve it. So here T is rupees 10,000 and R is 10% and N equals to 2 years. Okay, so amount she has to pay after second year, what? A equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 square. Now if we put the value of PR and calculate this, we get 10,000 into 11 by 100 square, and this will give 1100 rupees. Okay, this is the amount pay after second year by Ankita. Now I have to calculate the compound interest after second year. Okay, this will be calculated by a formula. What is the formula? Here formula is A minus P, and A is 12100 and P is 10,000. So rupees 2100 is our compound interest. Okay, now some practice question will be given here. You have to practice that all the question to clear about this topic. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3 questions are given. You can see that. Okay, please solve that question. And thank you guys for your patience. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe to my channel to get all the notifications.